In this video, I will show you what to do if you have problems basically logging in and accessing your Samsung Galaxy A34. Maybe you have forgotten your PIN code or pattern or password, or maybe something is wrong with the fingerprint or face unlock and you can't get in the phone basically. So the only way we can pretty much reset this is by doing a full factory reset on the phone, and that's unfortunately the only real way to do that, apart from trying to guess the pin. Actually, a lot of people use very simple pin codes. So for example, when you are setting up your phone, it will ask for a pin code to set up the security. So most people basically don't bother with it and enter a very simple password or by pin like this. And yeah, they might look ridiculous, however tons of people actually use them. And I got actually more bigger list with these pin codes, and according to this research, this list of 20 pin codes basically is used on 26% of all phones. So you can pause the video and go through them. Also, here is another list with more of them. So yep, before you reset your phone, you can try that, obviously, because you got actually a fairly good chance of guessing the pin that way. Anyway, if we are going to reset this phone, it will also delete all your data and everything. Also, there's one more thing you need to know. If you reset this phone and you have a Google account on this phone, it will ask you to log in that Google account when you set it up again. So if you don't have access to that Google account, well, you are basically out of luck really, and you need to try harder to get in your phone in this step, because once you factory reset it, if you don't have access to your Google account or don't know the PIN, you will basically brick your phone. So anyway, let's go with the factory reset. We first need to power off the phone. There's really no way to turn on off this phone because it doesn't even allow us to do that. So, but there's a way we can force restart it, and that is by pressing the lower button here, lower volume button, and the power button at the same time, and keep holding it. As it restarts, we are going to press the upper volume button and the power button. So let's do that. Okay, volume down and power, and keep holding. Ignore this and keep holding. Okay, release and press the upper button and power button now. I'm pressing and holding the upper button and the power button, and keep holding. Okay, so and this is that Android recovery menu, so we can navigate it using the volume buttons. And to factory reset it, select this wipe data and factory reset. To confirm, press the power button. Okay, cycle again with the volume buttons and press the factory data reset if you are sure you want to do that. Again, this will completely delete everything on your phone. So let's do it, and it pretty much instantly does it. So we can press reboot system now, and the phone basically will be as a brand new phone basically, and we will need to do the setup process now. Okay, we can select the language and start the setup process now. Okay, agree to everything it asks. Okay, then it will say that yeah, we have reset the phone and we need to verify that you are the actual owner of this phone. So we need to connect to a Wi-Fi or mobile network now. Okay, we got the opportunity now to use our Google account instead to verify. So we are going to click that and we are going to log in with our Google account. Okay, we managed to verify that this is our device and everything is cool. Okay, the phone has been set up now, and as you can see, there's no security on the phone and we can get access to everything. As the first time, it will be a bit sluggish for the first few minutes while it finishes setting up the phone. But yeah, this is basically how you bypass the security on all Samsung Galaxy A series phones, including the Samsung Galaxy A34. So if this was helpful, make sure to hit the like button. See you!